Welcome to another video from DIY Daily. Just got a really short video today showing you how to reset the service light on this Renault Wind. Really straightforward reset. You just want to turn the ignition to stage 2. All we're going to be using is a little button on the end of the stalk here. You just simply want to press the button, just cycle through. It's not showing that it's actually due at the minute. But if you get to where the service warning is, you just see there, servicing 15,000 miles. Simply press and hold the button, keep it depressed. Just takes a little while. It'll start flashing. Keep it depressed. It's still flashing, and then eventually, once it stops flashing at 18,000 there, you just simply release the button, turn the ignition off, and back on. Once you've done that, that's all reset. Hope the video helped. If it did, give it a quick thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.